So guys, yes, today is 6th of April and the time is almost 9:11 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened, and before that, in this video I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today. And yes, I've already picked the stock to trade for today, that is TechM or Indus India Bank. So once the market opens, okay, once the market start to trade, then we'll decide which stock I'll be trading and I'll be showing you that. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing, and you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos I do upload, daily live trades what I do, and stock market strategies, tips, and lot of things in my channel. Okay, so if you like my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my course now. Okay, but now let's see how the pre-open market has opened for today. So going to the pre-open market page. So yes, the Nifty is opening at 0.64% down here at 17,842. Advanced stocks are only 8, declines are 39, unchanged is 3 stocks. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is NTPC with 0.84% up, Adani Ports with 0.58% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that will be Reliance with 1.48% down and ICICI Bank with 1.28% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market has opened today. So just in few minutes I'll be showing you the live trade what I do in next few minutes. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform. We provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Trade on Indus India Bank stock. Okay, so I shall trade this stock. So let's see how it will perform. Above 967 I shall buy this. So yes, it is coming above 967 now, so I shall just quickly buy this in the intraday market level. Buy. So 968 now, so I bought it. So let's see how the stock will perform now. So we are trading on Indus India Bank and we have bought the stock. So guys, yes, we have just bought it now, seeing the stock in a good support level. So let's see how the stock will perform. But right now the market is minus 0.55% down, so we want the market to go up also. So once the market goes up or once the market starts recovering, we can see a good movement happening, or it will be a very slow movement in Indus India Bank. But yes, there is a good support level, hoping to get like 4 to 5 points target today at exit zone. So we'll see how the market will perform. Okay, so 969 now, almost 970 has been touched, I guess. So let's see. Okay, let's wait for it to go up. So it might be late, but we'll wait. Okay. So guys, right now it's trying to make its new high. So yeah, 971.30 now. So now you can see some of a big movement happening. So you are almost like 3 points up. So we'll see when I can exit. So there is a resistance level also above 972 or 973 over there. So we should keep that in mind and trade. And also the market is still in the down section, minus 60% on almost. Okay, so that's why we will take a exit soon. Okay, if the market was in positive, I would have held for longer time, but the market is not in a positive side, so we have to consider all these things when you're in a trade. Okay, so once you keep your target, stop loss, and also observe where the market is and how it is performing, so all these things you need to observe, and then make your entry exit decisions. Okay, so I just thought Indus India Bank was in a good support, so that's why we bought it. Anyway, it has given a good movement until now. So seeing to a resistance, we shall take a exit. So we shall wait. Okay. So let's see how it will perform. So once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. I guess it will go up till at least 971 or 972 again, and I can take my 4 points of target and exit is what I am guessing right now. So yes, 970, 971. So let's see if it's give a breakout. So yes, 972 almost touching, if you guys can see. Stock went all the way up till 972.75 was the high made. So yes, I took almost like 4 to 4.5 points target and exited here. So I just bought around 968 and the stock is now back to 969 levels again. So I took my exit. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Indus India Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So once you join us, I'll be guiding you guys to make consistent profit in intraday trading. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.